magic dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Little Jackie Paper loved that rascal Puff and brought him strings and sealing wax and other fancy stuff. Oh, Puff the magic dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Puff the magic dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Together they would travel on a boat with billows.
In this experiment, the principle in environmental science portrayed is the mixing of hot air with cold air. According to education.com, an air mass is a large body of air with consistent temperature and humidity. When air masses form, they are taking on the temperature and humidity characteristics of the region they are in. The density of an air mass depends on the temperature and humidity levels. Warm or humid air masses are less dense than cold or dry air masses.
The group aims to simulate the phenomena of warm front and cold front colliding to one another through the use of very cold and very hot water as representations of the two fronts.
Our group chose this as our advocacy project for our final requirement in our ENE 300 course. Our purpose is to increase the awareness of people about what is happening when the cold front and the warm front mixed. It has a great significance to normal people because these play a major role in anticipating the brewing weather.
Another purpose of this advocacy project is to inform the people that if the temperature of the atmosphere kept on increasing, the natural mixing of the warm front and the cold front will be greatly affected and disrupted.
For the completion of this project, the group will be using the following: markers, piece of cardboard, scissors, stirrer, cold and hot water, blue and red food coloring, timer, 2 glasses of same size, basin. First, prepare all the materials needed. Second, mix the blue dye to a glass of cold water. Third, mix the red dye to a glass of warm water. Fourth, place the glass with cold water into the basin. Fifth, place a rectangular cut cardboard on top of each glass. Sixth, put the 2 glasses on top of each other. Carefully lift the 2 glasses and tilt them horizontally. Then remove the cardboards in between. Lastly, observe what happened.
It was observed that the warm front, which is indicated by the red color, is on top, while the cold front, which is indicated by the blue color, is located at the bottom.
Hence, upon flipping it over, we can see what happens when the warm front meets the cold front.
The blue, cold water is going under and the red, warm water goes on top. The warm front and cold front are of different temperature and densities, so when they meet, you can see that it is not completely mixing.
The boundary at the middle of the two fronts represents where the condensation is forming, which will produce clouds and rain.
The group recommends that we should all acknowledge climate change and start to do something about it. This is to prevent the disruption of all naturally occurring phenomena like the mixing of warm